What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dad Life. Time for another Dad Hack.
Think of my words. Ew, can't think of my words, Bobby Ross. There you go.
All right, guys, we are back at the basketball net, and you remember the earlier dad hack about how mounting it to the ground with a ratchet strap and some in-ground stakes. So now we have to fix an issue caused by my trash men, and let me show you up top. So as you can see, to fix it, what I did was I used simple, clear zip ties. Zip tie there, and there. And we were back in business. So rather than trying to find a friend or taking the hoop off, or I should say the rim off, and taking it to somebody to get the clamps re-welded, and or try to buy a fix kit on Amazon for probably 15 or 20 bucks, use some cable ties, aka zip ties that you have around the house. As always, guys, thank you for tuning in to Dad Life. Hopefully these dad hacks definitely help you out. Until the next time, this is Dad Life.